I don't know if I should laugh or cry, but it doesn't matter now. Hello, my dear friends, and welcome to another episode of Darko Tattoo. And welcome to another Alita special for the Alita army, my dear friends. So, look at this. I received this package 3 days ago, and I just waited until I have on 1 day off to share the experience from the unboxing with you guys. I saw this item in eBay from a seller from Great Britain, and it was a 3D model. It was this model here, and I immediately fell in love with this, and then I make a picture from this and put it on social media, and some of the people from my friends from the Alita army told me it was a big scam because it was way too much, because you can order the files for about $15 and print it by yourself. I have no 3D printer, so doesn't matter. I'm just curious about it, a little bit nervous, so let's see. So I write a message to the seller and I told him I want to make an unboxing video for YouTube, and he said I don't have to expect so much from the unboxing because there is no special box for this item, and it's in some parts, so I have to glue it by myself. Okay, I never done this before with the figure, but I saw a lot of these 3D models and they looked awesome. Okay. 2 parts, so I think one is for the stand. It's a different feeling now, and I know I get scammed. Here is something. I hope here is the glue. A little box. Okay, here is the glue and the little butterflies, because in the 3D model she's holding this little blue butterfly. And first they told me it can't be made because it's way too small and it always broke and fell off, but for me he made a special one too. Okay, this little blue butterfly, it's just blue, there are no details. The other one looks a little bit better. Anyway, I thought I have to repaint it a little bit and make it more detailed. The other box, so let's see what's here inside. Okay, here is the head. You see it? Yeah, it's hand painted. Yeah, it looks very detailed, but very small. And you see some fingerprints here from this guy who painted by himself. Okay, a very small head. Oh, here's another head. Okay, not bad. There are 2 heads. I hope this one is better painted. They look a little bit different, and you see the hairstyle here is different. Look at this Looks like a fingerprint here. Okay, it's not bad, it's not bad. It's not... we can see that it's hand painted. It's not so professional. Look at this here. Like a tiny little hole by the head. Very, very small. I thought these were bigger. I like this one though. This one I like more. You can't compare this with the sideshow Alita. But it's interesting. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. Okay, and I think here is the body with this kind of jacket. It's very thin here. It's just a normal plastic from the 3D printer. I have to glue here another leg, the booty. Yeah, it's not so detailed. I would like to repaint it a little bit here on these patterns, maybe a little bit with more black. And yeah, here you see just more fingerprints from this guy. It's not so professional. What else do we have here? The other leg with the stand. Yeah, cool. It's a kind of huge robot hand. It doesn't look bad. It's a very nice idea and model. But yeah, the painting. The painting needs to be done by a professional figure painter. Nice claws. I like this stand. Something like this from Sideshow. I think that would be amazing and huge. Okay, so this box, I think here is the stand. For the bottom part of the stand. Yes, that's the stand. That's it. Here you see the stand. Here comes the hand, this robot hand. Alita Battle Angel here. It's very light and very, very cheap plastic, kinda plastic stuff, yeah. But it's one of a kind, because he immediately, when he sell it to me, he take the item off. Yeah, here you see how he's glued. You see the glue and everything. It could be done more professional, better. But okay, now I have it. So let's glue these parts together. It moves. So let's test this glue. And then this huge hand. Whoop. This glue is a piece of shit. It doesn't work. I think it will be better if he'd put some magnets like this and make it really professional, so the two things are really holding together. With the painting, no details, nothing. It's just one colors. I saw that here on this face, you see here, by the hairstyle, there are some broken parts. This face looks prettier, yes, but there are broken parts from the hair, and this is just covered with fingerprints. Okay, let's just buy some new glue, super glue. This is just like water. Okay, let's go. This sexy bag is worth more than this figure. So for this huge price I have paid, you gave me such a shitty glue. Shame on you. For this price, oh my god, you must give me the best glue ever. That glues in seconds, in milliseconds. Oh, the police. For this price, I could have another Sideshow Alita one, the deluxe edition, for about $1,000 with taxes and everything. I paid about 1,000 Swiss francs. That's like $1,000 for this little piece of plastic that it's not worth more than $20 or $30. I don't know if I should laugh or cry, but it doesn't matter now. It happens. It happens. So that's the real deal. This glue is perfect, just $5, but it glues it together in seconds. Maybe this glue is worth more than this figure. Okay, so I really like this model, this 3D model of this. The idea is awesome. I like this anime manga style head, and the body looks very sexy. And yeah, but for this price, it should be 3 times as big as this, and yeah, the size of a Sideshow one. For this price, man, $1,000, I could buy a 3D printer for me and print thousands of them. Yes. So I decided to repaint it just a little bit, the blacks, to make it just a little bit look like in the picture from the 3D model, but that's just not it. So, and here just a little size comparison from this little one compared to this Sideshow Alita. When you are used to the Sideshow ones, then it's really hard to find something nice you can compare with this. The seller told me this one is the same size like the Sideshow ones, but it's not even the half. Oh my goodness. So let's just wait and see what happens if this guy would give me a refund or so. So my dear friends, that's it for today. I hope you learned something from this video. I did. Don't be a fool like I am. And yeah, I wrote to the seller. He should give me a refund, because you can't compare this to this one. Okay, hope you enjoyed it anyway, and peace out.